2 days back, I was asked to make a cake for a client. The conditions were no chocolate, no icing, no frosting, or no cream of any kind. The cake turned out good, so here I am with the recipe. I'll give you some time to guess before I assemble everything. And while you are guessing, please subscribe to my channel below if you love my content. It will mean so much to me. I post videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Now, did you guess yet? No? So you might have tried a chocolate vanilla swirl cake like a marble cake, but do you happen to have tried a pineapple swirl cake? Now you know exactly what we are going to make today. We are making a pineapple swirl cake. To make the cake here, I am preparing my dry stuffs first. In a big mixing bowl, first goes some 130 grams of sugar and the same amount of flour with a spoonful of baking powder. Now in a separate mixing bowl, I am adding in 2 eggs and I am clearly no pro in cracking them. By the way, have you seen my nails? I made them myself and I wanted to flaunt it to you today. So you have no other options rather than to see it. Now in goes half cup of vegetable oil and half cup of milk, and again mix it. Adding in some essence here, a little splash of pineapple and a little vanilla as well. Now little by little add in your dry ingredients and don't hurry. Slowly fold everything together and mix well. When you are done mixing, separate some batter in another bowl so that you can add the coloring on one for the marble effect. Here I am using some yellow food coloring because it's a pineapple swirl cake. grease your baking tray with butter or oil, however you prefer, and this one is for you all. Now slowly add in the batter, switching colors every time. Look, I made you a star because you are my star. I know it's very cliche, but you can bear it. And this is the most satisfying part, but if a kid is near me, they will never let me do this. I mean, it's fine that you are a kid, but why do kids need to have all the fun, right? This is so annoying. Anyway. After it's out of the oven, it shall look something like this. Look at those marble textures. The cake looks so nice and even more gorgeous from inside. Let me slice it up and show it to you. And I always prefer it with my pineapple jam. If you don't happen to have it near you, dust the cake with some powdered sugar and it will be as good as anything else. That's all for today. I hope you loved the video. If you did, do like and subscribe. Click on the bell icon, press the red button, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.